Section 7.3 Cargo Handling. So, Section 7.3 Cargo Handling. It is important that shipping personnel are all well aware of the various considerations that need to be kept in mind to perform cargo handling operations on ships with utmost safety. Knowing the essential safety features and making appropriate use of materials handling equipment are just some of the ways you can make sure you're able to handle cargo safely on ships. So tip 1, protection equipment. Wearing the right kind of personal protective equipment is of paramount importance while moving cargo from one place to another. Equipment like safety harness, safety helmets, safety shoes, and various others must be used at all times while handling cargo on ships. Tip 2. Do not interfere with the use of a safety device and understand all safety procedures. So before handling the cargo, the crew should be told of the various on-site safety devices that will protect them in case of an untoward incident. Crew should in no way interfere with the working of such devices or alter the functioning in any way or form.
Tip 3. Identify shelter positions. If you are working on the open deck while handling cargo, it's important that you are all well aware of the shelter options that will protect you in the case of falling cargo, or where you can wait till the hoisted cargo has been placed on the deck or amidships. Tip 4. Securing the cargo. It's of paramount importance that all cargo is secured when it arrives on deck and not piggybacking cargo. A secure cargo is a safe cargo and it needs to be secured as soon as it is placed in the storage area. Something else that one must remember is that any and every cargo that is not in a container should be properly secured at all times. Tip 5. The right use of lifting equipment. Cargo handling on ships requires the use of lifting equipment like wire ropes, slings, hooks, forklifts, cranes, etc. As somebody working with such equipment, you need to be able to make sure that the equipment has been tested and maintained according to the relevant rules and regulations.
Tip number 6. No standing under a hoisted cargo. In an environment where cargo is being handled, there is always a danger in being hit by a load if you are standing in its path or under it. There have been some tragic accidents all because a person was standing under a hoisted load. Tip number 7. Entering enclosed spaces. Such spaces must be checked for their oxygen content and thoroughly ventilated before enter. The use of special equipment allows one to check for oxygen content in such places.
Number 8. Importance of proper visibility. Do not handle cargo in poor visibility. If you feel visibility is getting affected due to a certain reason like a change in weather condition amongst others, take the necessary step to improve the lighting on workplaces.
Tip 9. Bulk cargo. Close supervision is needed to ensure work safety while handling bulk cargoes. Proper supervision ensures not only is this cargo handled safely, but there is also somebody, ideally stationed on the deck above the hatch, who is closely watching the people working in the hatch at all times. Tip 10. Contact the supervisor in case of problems. If you feel at any point of time that the safety of the workplace is compromised in any way or form, it is important to contact the supervisor. In such cases, it's important that you discuss your findings with the concerned person. These are just some of the many tips that should be kept in mind to improve safely of the cargo handling process. If you're a part of this process, it's important that you have a very clear idea of how to handle a cargo safely on ships. This knowledge might help save your life someday.